Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to explain how ozone loss causes more ozone loss. Yeah, it sounds weird, but loss causes more loss. Researchers think that this is all about the effect of cooling in the stratosphere. Since most of the ozone in the atmosphere sits in this level, any process in this layer is very important. Before I go through the details, I will start with some introduction. Then I will explain the answer to the formulated question of this module by using plot provided by NASA. We know that ozone loss have been taking place in any spot in the stratosphere. But the reason that I put the picture of polar ozone depletion in this slide is that ozone loss is more severe in the poles rather than other places. You can see in this plot how ozone loss is more significant on the edges rather than the middle where represent the mid-latitudes. Therefore, in this module I will focus on polar loss. Stratospheric cooling may have been taking place over recent decades for a number of reasons. Ozone itself absorbs UVB waves emitted from sun. Thus, ozone depletion cools the stratosphere. Another contributing factor to the cooling of the stratosphere may be that rising amount of greenhouse gases in the troposphere are retaining heat re-emitted from the Earth's surface, where that would normally warm the stratosphere. This contribution in the stratospheric cooling would create a possible feedback loop. The more ozone destruction in the stratosphere, the colder it would get just because there was less ozone. The colder it would get, the more stratospheric clouds form, and consequently more ozone depletion would occur, and it's repeated again and again. NASA provided this graph which shows the relation between the stratospheric temperature and total ozone over the Arctic. By looking at the graph, we can see that there is a similar pattern between temperature and ozone loss, and they fluctuated the same. Scientists currently do not have enough data to understand the reason, but some of them believe that this feedback may change the ozone recovery time, which they predicted before to be 2050. Now, they have some concern that this could not happen before 2060 or 2070.